Most noted for the aroma of unripe apples, acetaldehyde is produced during fermentation, but usually is not perceivable unless problems have occurred in fermentation or in the maturation of fermented beer. Brewers using healthy yeast and appropriate brewing techniques should be able to minimize any presence of acetaldehyde in finished beer. Acetaldehyde is produced by yeast during fermentation of glucose. It's the second last step in the production of ethanol, but it may also be caused by the oxidation of ethanol to acetaldehyde during beer aging. The primary way to avoid acetaldehyde in beer is to ensure that only healthy, vital yeast is used for fermentation. Building pressure during fermentation can result in high acetaldehyde production, so brewers must ensure that there is no back pressure on the tank during fermentation. Vessels should be fully vented to release CO2, and especially in tall tanks, which may also contribute hydrostatic pressure. These conditions will lead to increased levels of dissolved CO2 in the beer, which affects yeast health, leading to elevated levels of acetaldehyde. Towards the end of fermentation and during maturation, acetaldehyde is reabsorbed by yeast and reduced to ethanol. This generally happens concurrently with diacetyl removal. A good diacetyl management strategy will therefore generally result in low levels of acetaldehyde in beer.